Good evening, friends. Today is 24th of April 2023. आज बैंक निफ्टी काफ़ी interesting रहा. We saw quite a very good momentum in bank nifty, and I will just explain you what happened today. So this is the bank nifty chart that I've opened for you. This is in the 10 minutes time frame. This first one is the opening candle in the 10 minutes time frame. So जैसे market खुलता है, we see a selling pressure, we see this huge red candle formation, और exactly इस level पे आके फिर ये reverse हो जाता है. This is the first support it takes. After that, there is some downward selling pressure in the market, and roughly in about half an hour, 45 minutes, it takes another second support at the same level, and bank nifty starts trading inside this zone. Okay, now I will explain you how I got this zone. If you have problems drawing the trend line like the way I've drawn out here, it's very simple. You just need to go at this portion and you click on line. So जैसे आप लाइन क्लिक करते हैं तो exactly आपको ट्रेंड लाइन कैसे ड्रॉ करना है, आपको एक बेसिक आइडिया आ जाएगा. So this is how I have drawn the trend line. And now the interesting part is that Bank Nifty trades in this zone. You can see it comes down. There's some consolidation within this zone out here, and here it breaks out, retraces, and there's a lovely breakout, and is a clean green momentum till almost about 2 o'clock. So I'm pretty much sure that a lot of you have made very decent profit today. Yes, and I will just show you exactly what happened. So on Friday, you see out here is that Bank Nifty closed somewhere around this level, so that's about 42,088 level. Now आज Bank Nifty काफी gap up opening हुआ. So you can see it opened at about 42,470 level. So technically I was expecting this gap to be filled. So what we have to keep in mind now is that though there is an uptrend momentum in the market, we have to keep in mind that if not tomorrow, day after, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, someday this gap is going to get filled. Okay, so please be careful and remember that this gap needs to be filled, and if not tomorrow, day after, or in another any day in this week, Bank Nifty is definitely going to fill this gap to some level. So I'll exactly explain to you why Bank Nifty took support at this level. So if you see in the 30 minutes time frame, the earlier one which I was showing to you was a 10 minutes time frame. Now if you see in the 30 minutes time frame, this is the trend line. Now Bank Nifty has taken support at this zone, right? Exactly from here it has reversed. Now what you have to keep in mind is that earlier, on the 17th of April, Bank Nifty closed somewhere out here, and this was the resistance. Next day it traded, it came down. Again, this same level acted as resistance, right? R for resistance. It came down, it was trading, it broke up, but it could not sustain. It came down again, and every time it tried to go up, this zone was again acting as resistance. This is the third time Bank Nifty, reverses from here. Comes down again, tries to go up, and there's a lot of buying activity happening out here, but again at this level sellers are active, so again it pushes Bank Nifty somewhere down here, and we have a closing at around this level on Friday. Now interesting part is that today when Bank Nifty opened, we had a huge gap up and instant selling pressure, but you see that this zone or this line that I've drawn exactly now acted as a support. So every time Bank Nifty fell, there were buyers active out here, and they were not letting Bank Nifty fall below this zone. So very, very interesting, friends. So please try to understand the importance of support and resistance, okay? And very, very important to know where your support is and where your resistance is. And earlier, whatever resistance area was there, now exactly that area has become the support. So this is just to make you understand on the 30-minute time frame, because it will be more clearer. So now another important thing about Bank Nifty today is that we had this 1, 2, 3, 4 like inside candle. Every time this candle that was formed on 17th April when we had a huge selling pressure in the market, all this inside candle formation, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, all the 4 days, last 4 days we were trading within this zone. Now we have a breakout and Bank Nifty has closed above this level. So we have a closing of 42,652. Important. Now tomorrow, if Bank Nifty sustains this level, we can see a further uptrend in the market. So friends, we may see this kind of movement now in Bank Nifty. Okay. So please keep these small details in mind. So let me discuss what happened in Nifty as well. Nifty also opening candle. Same as Bank Nifty, we saw a huge selling pressure, a good consolidation in the market for roughly about 3 hours, same as Bank Nifty, and then we had a breakout, and lovely breakout, and all the way up we broke the opening candle. Then we started trading above this zone. See how the price action formation, the buyers takes the market up. Again, we have sellers in this zone, exactly where the opening candle, that acted as a resistance. Then again, it went up, and when it came down, this level acted as a support, and then we have an uptrend in the market. So a very, very interesting day. So similar pattern out here in Bank Nifty as well. So friends, I will explain. I'll show you the trade that I've taken today. I've taken 2 trades, one on the call side and one on the put side. 42,500 PE को हमने write किया और 42,000 CE दोनों को हमने write किया. So I'll exactly try to explain you the logic behind the trades that I took. Okay, so when I'll explain you more in the 5 minutes time frame. When Bank Nifty opened, if you see that this second candle, though it was a huge bullish candle, it did not go beyond this opening candle. So I'll just explain you with the help of a small trend line. If you see this area, so Bank Nifty does not break this opening candle. So after that it starts trading. So almost about, if you see till 12:45, all this inside candle formation, not even one candle went below the first candle or above the first candle. So approximately about 4 hours. So Bank Nifty was completely sideways for the entire day. But why I took a trade out here is that, when this candle did not break, this candle did not break, and this candle started trading negatively, I kind of took a trade out here because my stop loss was very less. This if this candle had closed above this zone and it started trading in this area, then I would have taken a stop loss. Then you can see beautiful candle formation, a little bit gap up, and all the way down till the first level. So exactly this is the reason that I've taken the PE 42,500 PE को write किया. So where approximately I made a profit of about 2,500 approximately, you can say. And I'm very much aware. I'm very much sure that why the second trade. Yes. So now in the second trade in the call side, if you see that this was a complete consolidation in the market, there is a breakout out here, market goes up, there is a retest of the zone. Now every time this area which is acting as a resistance, now this becomes a support out here, and from here Bank Nifty goes up. So at this area approximately about I'll just show it to you, and this area is exactly where I took an entry on the call side. So roughly about 70 to 80 points is what we have captured out here. And after that I have exited from the call. I had placed a trailing stop loss, and my trailing stop loss got hit, and then approximately about 1,897. So you can say 1,900 profit. So not a bad day. 2 trades, 4,364 rupees approximately, you can say. So that is the trade that I've taken. and I hope you understand the logic behind the trade that I took. Yes, some people may be a little bit confused on the put call or the P that I wrote in the morning. The main reason being that my stop loss was very less, and also if bank Nifty had to go up in this morning session only, the first or the second candle or even the third candle would have clearly broken out, but it did not do so. That's the reason I took an entry at this area and took a stop loss, kept my stop loss somewhere out here. So these are the two trades I've taken, friends, and I hope you understood the logic behind my trade. So if you have any questions regarding Bank Nifty and any other stocks, you can please feel free to comment on the comment section, and I'd be more than happy to assist you with that. Till then, you all have a lovely evening, and see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.